Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and here we have Jedi Steve.
Yes.
And down here we have the Messerschmitt ME-262 Yellow 7. Now you'll have to excuse the noise. We have some people with leaf blowers near us, so you might hear some droning in the background. Look at this. This is it coming out of my Jeep. Here's some footage. You can see it doesn't take up a lot of room, not compared to some other planes I've been flying, but this one's not too bad. You could probably fit it in the back seat of your car if you have a big car, but it's better to go in something like a bed of a Jeep or a bed of a pickup truck or something like that.
Yeah.
Or a van. Yeah, you've got a van. And
fit.
it would fit in your van.
Sure,
yeah,
for
easy.
sure.
So the great thing about this plane, it's from Freewing, and it has two brushless in-runner 70mm motors with 12-bladed fans. And what's the amps?
60 amp ESC, and you get two of them, of course, because you have two motors.
So it's got lots of power. We were running it up here against our legs, and it can almost push you over. It's very powerful.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to get up to something like what, 100 miles per hour?
100 miles per hour, that's what they say.
It is beautifully detailed.
Yep.
You can see rivets in the wings, rivets in the body. It looks really good.
Gorgeous.
Also, the suspension up front, this is phenomenal.
And even the main, you're saying, Steve, if you press on it,
even the main, you push up and down. It's just incredible. So this thing should take off and land really nice. We really don't know how it's going to take off or land because we haven't flown it yet. This is going to be a maiden for us.
Oh, I'm feeling good about it. I think it's going to be great.
Now, when you're watching these videos, a lot of the planes you see here are mine. They're my RC planes. But in order for us, Jedi Steve and I, to bring you video footage of this thing flying, it takes two people flying. I used to do these videos where it's just myself with my hat cam, and you just get the footage from me standing on the ground, and then sometimes I put a camera on the plane. But what we do now is, where is it? Now, Jedi Steve flies, and I can film it with my drone, so you get some really cool air shots. And normally on the ground, I have a big telephoto camera to catch him as he flies around, except I forgot it today.
Not today.
So we won't have those shots, so what I'll do is more drone footage of this flying in the air and doing some cool stuff.
It's great flight footage anyway when you're flying, right?
Yeah. So it does have ailerons, and they do move quite a bit. It does have elevators, and they move quite a bit, and it does have a nice rudder, and it also has split flaps. So I don't know, Steve, you can use the flaps today, you think?
Oh, we'll try it. Why not? They're
let's
there.
Try everything.
Well, let's use them.
Yeah. And even in the cockpit, you have a pretty cool pilot that looks like he's just lounging, laying back.
Yeah.
Little detailed
Even
cockpit.
other details in there, very cool.
It's a really nice plane. I think it's one of the nicest planes. It's probably one of the most popular, and this is a Freewing model, and anybody in the RC hobby knows that if a plane is by Freewing, it's got to be good. So this should be awesome. Oh, and I should also mention that a lot of people always ask which radio we use. The only radio I use with planes are Spectrum radios, so I have my IX-14 that Steve will use to fly this baby. Take all yours. Try to lift it. It's got a lot of weight to it with that battery in. It's amazing.
Not bad. It's actually, I find it's light for what it is.
Well, I was going to say, without a battery, it weighs next to nothing. But with the battery, it's got some weight. But if you still find it light, wow.
Oh, I find it very light for the size. Considering it's a twin and everything, yeah.
Yeah, twin. All right.
All right.
So let me take her up.
She's up. Oh man, that takes off quick. That takes off in no time, Steve.
Oh, she's got lots of power.
That's all power.
I'm having difficulty catching up to you.
Yeah, I'm slowing down now. We'll do gears down.
Okay.
Gear lowered.
Oh man, what a sweetheart. That was one sweet landing, Steve. I hope you caught it.
I caught it. It looked good.
Oh, we're barely making it. There we go.
Really good. Okay, and I'm going to land right here.
Land on the pad.
Best I can.
Oh, it's flying away from you, Steve.
Ah, well, I don't want to hit the wave.
Yeah, no, never mind.
I'll leave it there. All right, that was good, Steve. So Jedi Steve, how long did you fly?
3 minutes, 7 seconds,
3
according
minutes
to the
and
timer.
7
yeah.
seconds. 2 motors sucking power out of the 5,000.
Yeah.
How much voltage is remaining?
Let's find
check
out.
it out. And how did you like your landing?
Oh, that was an excellent landing, actually. The plane comes in so nice.
There was no trimming, nothing. This is
No.
right out of the box. I asked Steve in flight, do you need to trim it? He's like, no, it's fine.
No, no trim was necessary. So, all right, let's plug it in. I think I'm plugging in the right way here.
Well, you'll find out soon.
Oh, no. All right, here we go, Steve.
So what's it say?
We got, let me get my glasses out. Oh yeah, nice. 385, on average is 385 all cells. So I could have flown another minute easy, I'd say.
So do we want to set the timer to 4 minutes?
I think we'll put it to 4 minutes.
4 minutes, so next
yes.
flight will be 4 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, so you're back to us, and we'll give you our final thoughts on this plane. My final thoughts are, from flying from the perspective of a drone, it looks freaking awesome.
Yeah.
But I was not the pilot. Jedi Steve, what do you think?
I love this plane. Like, I always loved the 262s. They're probably one of my favorite warbirds of all time. But this one flies so sweet. It took off like in no time, super scale. That was with half flaps, flying completely uneventful in the sense that it was completely predictable, nice and gentle, like a lot gentler than you'd expect from a warbird like this. Setting up for landing, man, oh man, that was so easy, and she came in so nice, especially the first landing, greased it easily. And it's definitely fast, but it's not so much that it's fast, it's that when you put in the power, if you want to climb, she climbs in no time.
And from the ground, from my perspective, the 2 motors running over the lawnmower man and the weed whacker man and the leaf blower man, from what I could hear, they sounded awesome.
Oh, yeah.
So how about you?
Oh yeah, they all sound sweet now, but yeah, this one even twin sound is even better.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So this is a Freewing model. I got this one from MOTIONRC, I believe. If you live in the United States, get it from MOTIONRC. The links to MOTIONRC are below. I don't know if I have a discount code. Probably not for MOTIONRC. If you live outside the USA, like me in Canada, you can also get it from RC Castle. RC Castle, shipping to your country might be very inexpensive, but it might take a little longer, so you save a lot of money on shipping and the price at RC Castle compared to MOTIONRC. But if you live in the USA, MOTIONRC is the place you want to go to get this, because you'll get it pretty much the same day or the next day. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have questions on this plane, post them below. If you want me to go and strangle Lawnmower Man and Weed Whacker Man, who always shows up when we're doing our videos, yeah, just leave a comment below and we will arrange to have that done. But for now, I say I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in a future video with many more RC plane reviews, helicopter reviews, and drone reviews. Until then, bye.